Alright, so the outlet got successfully replaced. But this is a 4-prong outlet. And my dryer has a 3-prong outlet. So let me show you how to replace this cord. You're gonna need a 4-prong cord, a 5/16 driver, and a 1/4-inch driver. With your 5/16 driver, remove the protective cover. And then with your 1/4-inch nut driver, unscrew the wires that are held at the terminal block. Be careful not to drop the screws. The new cord will come with a strain relief. Make sure you add that so that the cord doesn't pull away and it doesn't create loose connections. Following the instructions, remove the white wire that is attached to the case and land it in the middle terminal, which is your neutral. So both white wires will be landing in the middle silver-looking terminal. The next step is to connect the ground wire. Grab your green insulated wire and attach it to the case. Use your 5/16 nut driver and put it in place. Then connect the remaining wires. I chose black to be L1, which will be to the far left, and red to be L2, which is the far right. Then put your cover back on and use your 5/16 nut driver. Once it's done, put everything back where it needs to go and test.